Yes, exercise number 2. Be ready. Start. My good friend, the agriculture minister, is here. Stop. I do not know whether he is interested in the international problems. Stop. But I hope he will convey some of our ideas to those who are directly dealing with these. Stop. I would like to mention the second problem. Stop. It is also a negative one, if I may put it in this kind of glitch, that the power of the powerful is increasing at a fantastic rate, and that the distance between it and the other is increasing sharply. Stop. We have seen the experience of the UNIDO conference, which is taking place these days, how difficult it is for the international community to work towards a new international economic order, because the powerful do not find it in their interests to agree to a new international economic order which would be more just. Stop. And that makes it necessary for us, precisely for that reason, to concert forces with all other similarly situated countries to work for a new international economic order. Stop. But the third factor which I will mention, and which is a positive factor, is that the power of the powerful may be increasing at a fast rate, but there are limits to the use of that power. Stop. Stanza. You have enormous weapons. You can destroy the world many times over, but you cannot use those weapons. Stop. The balance of terror has given leverage to less powerful countries, those countries who may not be a large power like India and others, to come together, to work together, and to exercise more leverage. Stop. And finally, sir, I would like to say that there is an immediate problem for this country, because for the first time we are being encircled. Stop. There is the US, China, Pakistan combined. Stop. Whatever may be their calculations for the rest of the world, and I know that at least the United States is worried, is bothered, is concerned about the Gulf more than anything else, about the Middle East, about the oil, and so on and so forth. The actual impact of what is happening, the actual consequence of it, is encirclement of India for the first time by three major powers. Stop. There will be bases there. Stop. Today we read in the newspapers that the minister is going to meet the special assistant to the US president, who himself is going to Pakistan.